Welcome back to English with Basir, the channel where we turn your English learning journey into an exciting adventure. If you have ever struggled to speak English confidently, understand native speakers, or write fluently, then this video is for you. Today, I'll reveal powerful techniques that can help you improve your English fast, sound more natural, and express yourself like a pro. So make sure to watch till the end because step number 7 might completely change the way you learn English forever. First, we have that is think in English. Think in English. Don't translate. One of the biggest mistakes learner make is translating from their native language. When you translate, your mind slows down and you lose fluency. Instead, start thinking in English. Even simple thoughts like I'm hungry, I need water, or what time is it? Create short English conversations in your mind. The more you think in English, the faster your brain gets used to forming sentences naturally. Second, we have that is listen before you speak. Before learning to speak, babies listen for months, and that's what you need to do too. Listen to English podcasts, songs, YouTube videos, or movies without subtitles first. Then replay them with subtitles to understand the meaning. Try shadowing a repeat what speaker says in real time. The technique trains your accent, rhythm, and pronunciation. Third, we have that is practice speaking every day. Practice speaking every day. You don't need a partner to speak English. You can talk to yourself in front of a mirror, right? Describe your day or record voice notes. For example, today I woke up early, made coffee, and watched a video. Record your voice. Listen back and notice where you can improve. Confidence grows when you use the language daily. Build vocabulary with context. Don't just memorize random words, learn them in sentences. For example, instead of just learning achievement, learn her greatest achievement was becoming a doctor. This way, your brain connects meaning, grammar, right, and usage all at once. Keep a small notebook or a digital file for new words. Review them every week. Five, we have that is it is very important. Focus on grammar. Naturally, grammar is important, but you don't have to study hundreds of rules at once, right? Instead, learn grammar through examples. That is, when you see a sentence, notice how the words are arranged. Ask yourself, why did they use have been instead of a had been, right? This helps you feel the grammar rather than parsing. Surround yourself with that is 6. English make English a part of your daily life, right? Change your phone's language to English, right? Follow English speaking influencer, read English captions on social media, watch English news or YouTube channels daily. The more exposure you get, the faster your improvement will be. 7, we have that is learn from mistakes. Don't be afraid. Many learners stay silent because they are afraid of making mistakes, but mistakes are not failures, they are feedback. Each time you make a mistake, your brain learns something new. Remember, every fluent speaker once spoke broken English, right? So speak bravely, laugh at your errors, and keep improving. And we have that is read aloud to train, right? Fluency reading aloud improves pronunciation, rhythm, and confidence. Choose short articles. Stories are dialogues. When you read, pay attention to how native speakers stress words. A possible record your reading and compare it with the original audio, right? These methods help you become more expressive and fluent. 9, we have that is write daily. Even small things count. Start writing about your day. Goals are opinions. You can write short paragraphs, comments, or social media posts in English. Writing improves sentence structure and word choice. Don't aim for perfection, just express your thoughts freely. Over time, you will notice a big difference in how naturally you write. 10, we have that is stay consistent and motivated improving, right? English is not a one day task, it's a journey, right? Create a learner routine. 30 minutes a day is enough. And consistently you reward yourself for small wins. A new word learned, a conversation completed, a video understood, right? Stay positive and remember progress comes slowly but surely. Bonus steps, right? Record your progress every month. Record a short video of yourself speaking English about any topic. Compare it with your old videos, right? You will be amazed to see how much better you sound. This boosts confidence and keeps you motivated to keep learning. So, friends, these were the 10 proven methods to improve your English quickly and effectively. If you found this video helpful, hit the like to button and subscribe English with Basir, and turn on the notification bell because more amazing lessons are coming your way. And remember, don't just learn English, live in English. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.